On today's episode of Home Care Digital, we're talking about the best tech tools for busy owners and entrepreneurs. The first one is you have to have a calendar. This is an essential piece, whether it's a digital calendar or a physical calendar. I recommend a digital calendar. All right, we're in a new age. Even if you are not used to a digital calendar, it's time to get on board. I understand when to write things down. I do similar. I use both, right? Because there's certain things that I like to write down, but having a digital calendar allows us to do so much more, and I'm going to talk about that in a bit here. But when we have a calendar and we are using it, we're able to stay on top of our tasks. We're able to stay more organized. It's going to help us to actually gain more time when we master our time. Time equals life. Therefore, waste your time and waste of your life, or master your time and master your life. If you want to master your life, you gotta master your time. We have to be a machine and be very strict on how we're organizing our time, creating a plan so that we can master it. I know in home care, sometimes you're getting pulled in a number of different directions, but just because you have a calendar and have a plan doesn't mean that you always have to follow it. It doesn't mean that it's not flexible, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't have a plan in case things do go as planned, right? So we gotta use a calendar. The other thing is Calendly. I love Calendly. A bunch of my students are starting to sign up and start using it because they're seeing how easy it is to use. And what's so beneficial about Calendly is being able to schedule appointments with other people. Have you ever been in a situation when you say, hey, let's meet up? Sure, all right, well, when? And then all of a sudden you have this back and forth email going back and forth. Oh, you available this time? You available this time? You available this time, right? Oh, no, I'm not. Can you do this time? That's wasting so much time. If you have Calendly, you can use it to send somebody a link and they can opt in, right, and join and just be put right onto your calendar. What's super beneficial about this, if you watched one of my previous episodes, I talked about creating a show, right, or video series, podcast or video series, and Calendly is a great way to do this so that people can schedule appointments to record those shows. This can save you so much time. Hey, do you want to be on my show? Great, here you go. Here's my time. You can block off certain days, certain times that you use specifically for recording your episodes. So you could do a whole day that Calendly only links to one day, and you just spend that whole day recording episodes, batching your episodes. Boom, now it makes it easy. You're mastering your time. You're being strategic about how you're using your time, and you're adopting technology that's going to help you be more efficient. The last thing, Canva. I love Canva. It is by far my favorite tool. If you're in business, you need to be using Canva. It's incredible for any type of graphics, social media, flyers, business cards, right? I mean, you can use amazing resources like Adam from Home Care Flyers. He's an amazing person to use for any of your promotional item needs. But Canva in general, specifically for your social media, it's also really great for using video. If you've seen some of my videos, you saw how I have a video on this screen here. That's actually from Canva. So there's videos that you can use for your social media, for videos to use as what's known as B-roll. Not gonna get into that today. But I absolutely love Canva. It makes you a master at design, which is a great thing to have in your tool belt for anything digital marketing. Canva is going to be your best friend. Do you want to learn how so many people just like you are getting incredible results on social media? Then you have got to check out my brand new free training, Social Media Success, where you're going to learn the 5 biggest mistakes home care business owners are making and how you can avoid them. All you got to do is go to thedigitalchamps.com/social and start watching today.